Hey Campoholics, today we're going to show you how to use a pressure washer on your RV. Clean this baby in less than 10 minutes with a pressure washer. Stay tuned.
I'm Missy.
I'm Mike.
And we're the Campoholics.
Hey Campoholics, today's episode is going to involve how to use a, what is this? A foam cannon. So my son, he's a little camera shy, is going to show us how to use a foam cannon. All right, what do we got here, Cole?
This is the M90 Hawaiian Shine.
The M90 Hawaiian Shine.
64-to-1 ratio. It's the more concentrated the better for foam cannons because it's foamy more.
All right, and you got a foam cannon attachment for the power washer.
Right there.
Yep, foam cannon attachment for the power washer. And we got the power washer short. What is that?
More controllable handle than a wand.
Okay, so it's a short wand.
Yep.
All right. Okay, let's start this thing up. He's going to tell us, what's the first step, Cole?
You gotta hose the whole thing off, get it wet, get all the big stuff off at first.
So what's the tip you're using?
A 40-degree tip.
40-degree tip.
Wider spray angle, less pressure, just knock the big stuff off.
All right, here we go. All right, so that was step one. Now we're going to hook up the foam cannon. This thing's pretty impressive here. All right, the next step is to
Scrub it.
scrub it. Start. Yeah, you scrub it a little bit so I can hold the camera. Telling you folks, boy, this is the fastest way you can wash something, I'm telling you. In less than 3 minutes, you have one entire side of this 38 foot long camper scrubbed. Pretty cool. And there you have it. In less than 10 minutes, this entire unit is nice and clean. Using our pressure washer, our spray nozzle 40-degree, and our foam cannon. Pretty cool. Less than 10 minutes, zero effort. Love it. Subscribe below, ring the bell for notifications. And every day is once a lifetime. Peace out.